Today I'm making refried bean dip. We'll be using Monterey Jack cheese, cheddar cheese, sour cream, cream cheese, a can of refried beans, taco seasoning, a can of green chilies, and 1 fresh jalapeno. We're going to start by using 1 can of refried beans. To that, I'm going to add 1 can of green chilies. This is 4 ounces. Next, I have 4 teaspoons of taco seasoning. I have 1/2 of a fresh jalapeno that I've finely diced. I've got 1/2 of a cup of sour cream. I have 4 ounces of cream cheese that I've let soften. To that, I'm going to add about 1 cup of cheddar cheese that I have shredded. And the same with the Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to add about a cup of that. And now I'm going to mix everything together. Okay, that looks really good. We're going to add this to a casserole dish. This is a really excellent dip. People love it. It's just different. Let's move all that out. And now I'm going to add more cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. Go ahead and just put that over it. It was about 1.5 cups of each total. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly. I just took the refried bean dip out of the oven and that's what it looks like. I'm going to top this off with just a tablespoon or 2 of fresh pico de gallo that I had on hand. You don't have to. This is completely optional. I just wanted to give it some color. And that is how you make refried bean dip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I always have a great time interacting with you all, and I love it when you comment. I usually comment back to everybody. Thank you so much, and have a great day.